Hi, I'm Dr. Parekh. Welcome to Rothman Orthopaedics Princeton office. Come on in. When you arrive, you'll check in here and we'll get you taken care of quickly. Let's head back. Did you know all Rothman offices are equipped with on-site x-ray, and it's often the first stop for patients so we can diagnose many injuries right away without extra trips. This is where we meet with patients and create a personalized plan to get you back to feeling your best. Our team collaborates behind the scenes so you're getting a comprehensive approach to your care. And here's our physical therapy space. Did you know oftentimes you can start rehab even on the same day? We have experts in sports medicine, foot and ankle, joint replacement, and physical medicine and rehabilitation. So whatever brings you in, you're in great hands. Thanks for stopping by.